I am Dank Duck. Let's see this thing, this animation I call Sad Man. I will be narrating. Hi. I don't like you. Sorry. Just don't. He's sad. It's up to him to be happy. It's up to him. It's up to me so he can be happy. Oh wait. What's that? It is my anime face. My animation face. That will be me. That is me. That is Dank Duck. I'm not good enough to draw a duck yet. Also, this is Billy. As you can see, it's like 189 frames. And remember, sub to this man. This one right here. So, he can be happy. Because, as you know, he went, hi, he thought he had a friend. He didn't have a friend. He was a fake friend. Sorry about that. He is sad. Sub to make him happy. Do it for now. Subscribe to this Dank Duck channel forever, one time only, and you will make this very sad little man who has no friends. His only friend is a poster of a picture of a really awesome dude, which is this poster right here, happy. Do it today by going to Dank Duck on YouTube and subscribing to him. Not subscribing to him will cause Chucky to be in your bedroom tonight. And he's here to play. I'm only joking, but subscribe to him, or he will be upset and very sad. It even says, sad man. Well, that is Dank Duck out. Remember, always keep your ducks locked up, and remember to be dank.